Dili, sir.
Dili, sir.
Pwede raman no
Dili,
once a
sir.
week.
Dili.
Dili di ay. Mas nice ni no inani no. Namang gyapon daghan gyapon mo makatunan sa kuha bisan online.
Daghan, sir. Kaya naman
Oh,
sa
yes,
mga
sir.
YouTube, sir.
Ah,
Kan
napa
gyapon
jud
sir oy.
ah, walay char,
Sometimes.
walay char.
Kay ikaw na may nag-ano sa YouTube, sir.
O ba? Wala pa day ang uban.
Wala, sir.
I-TikTok lang sa YouTube. Mag-TikTok po ka sa YouTube. Sige, so welcome everyone to our session today. For this time, we are going to discuss about array structural modification. Now, array structural modification is one of the concepts in the or applications of array. So in terms of array, now we have been discussing about array concepts in our midterm class. And then it's now the time that I'm going to discuss to you one of the few things that you can work on with arrays. So this is array structural modification. So when we talk about array structural modifications, it's actually an application of an array in which we get to add records to an array, we get to edit records to an array, search or view a particular records from an array, and even delete records from array. Okay, so let's say for an instance, we're just going to like add a, so let's say, let's work on with numbers muna. So we have, let's say, num here, and then let's have here as our max capacity of say 10. And then let's have here the max capacity of our array. Okay, so we're going to store numbers sa array. Okay, and then after that, we are going to have like menus. So let's say menu of array. Let's say add. Okay, so add or store or sige unsa ba, view records or view numbers. Let's say search. Okay, and then we have also here, I know na backslash n nato ni siya. Or something like the ana na to. So A to add, V to view, ayan. So tanga na to, and then S to search. Okay, and then we'll have E. So let's say E to edit, and then E to delete. Are all this are ay parang unique ba? Oh yeah, unique ato ang mga. So we have delete, and then X siguro would be for exit. Okay, so X or exit. Right? So yes, Cesar.
Namali og pindot sir.
Okay. Mao na maligpendot, na maligpendot. Pag careful ka sa imong mapendot o imong masudlan kay basin mamali ka, no? So careful ka. Anyway, so we have here the menu, and this is what we expect na ibutang nato sa tuang loops, which is every now and then na ato ang loop mag tawag ani, a loop as it is going to like execute this menu to allow the user to choose whatever the user would like to do. So let's have here character lang. Okay, so we have character ch is equal to, so you can declare this one or simply like that, no? So but I am used into like you declaring characters into this one. This is like declaring characters as null value, but again pwede ra na siya this one. Okay. Right. So this time we will have here ch is not equal to, let's say, x. Okay, or x. All right. And then after this one, we are going to have um, here the something like see out. So enter your and or select na lang. Or yeah, so select or backslash t na to, and then we'll have here menu as okay, Java na noon. So ano lang, menu select something. Okay? Sige. And now let's have here the cin and then accept taog value from the user, and then we'll have here the switch statement. Okay, and then we'll put here the ch to lower ch. Okay, so sa to yung ano, int ch. Then let's have here case. Let's have for a. And then, sige, butang sa nato the see out, adding records. Yeah. And then let's have here another switch case value. So this is for viewing of records. So let's say this is V. So viewing. Okay. And then let's copy paste this one. So let's just indent this one back to going to the left. You're facing north, so left tapadulong. So you have here, and ilan naman ka menu. Tama na ni. Okay, and then let's let's have here. Guys, if you have questions, you can ask me or interrupt me while I'm doing or writing while I was or I am writing codes. So A, V, S, E, and D. So we have this one is for S, this is for E, this is for D, and this is for X. Okay, so let's just change this to something like search. This is for edit. This is for delete. And this is program terminating. Okay, so let's try our code if it works. So you can either actually use one instead of letters. If this one will not work, so tanaw na to. So A to add, B to view. So let's say A. So adding records, ayan. So you have here V, viewing records. You have S, searching a record, and then so on and so forth. So there, no, it seems like working ato ang menu, and then pag magpili siya X, program terminating. And yeah, that's it. Ito, joke lang. So that is just one of the ano nato by piece lang nato para you're able to, unsay purpose ana. So what we just did right now, or what I just did earlier, is that we just provided a menu in which every time the user choose on a different options, based on different options, the loop is going to keep on iterating the menu, which is this one, no? Allowing the user to choose any of the list here or options here, and then using the switch statement, it will be in each block of the case, there is execution of statement. But for now, what we are doing is we just display something message. Okay, but now since we already tried our program and it's working until mag-exta, exit siya. So this time we're now going to do array structural modification. And let's work on number muna. Okay, to start with, so this time, well, we are going to include one parang I to represent an index, and let's start it. Let's start by 0. So our I, this will be our basis for counting the index value. Okay, and then after that, we'll have here. Yeah, pwede na to na siya ano. We will have here like we're going to store value to our array. So let's say cout enter value for, let's say enter value for nam I. So para makita niyo asa siya ma-store. No, first index ba, second index ba, or depende sa inyong display. Then we'll have here cn nam, and then we'll use I to represent the value. So kaning I dire is just going to display nam, then kung say value sa I at first like 0, and then after that this will store the records, no? So this will store the number or integer to the array based on I. Okay, and then after that we are going to increment the I. So right here we can actually we can display something like number or records na lang, or records successfully stored to array. Ayan. Oops, tama ba itong spelling? O tama. Successfully stored to array. The records are, or depende sa mo, record is, di ay kaisa lang man. So this time, we are going to use the, and this is for adding, no? Then next case is, once the user choose on view or V, ato ang buhaton would be, i-display dato tong record or value sa unsay na store. So let's say for an instance, we are going to display the value, so we can use loop. Okay, so let's say we have here int, let's say x is equal to 0, x less than or equal to, we can actually use max, no? But I am going to show you later on nanay problem if we're going to actually use max. So we can actually remove this one, and then let's have here, you can directly go here like cout x, and then num x, yan. And then up here something like that, or it's up to you if \t by mong anhon or \n. I don't know what's your trip, but this time let's say \t na to siya i-add, i-display. All right, and then there. Okay, so upon entering A, mao ni ang mao ni ang i-execute. Upon entering B, mao ni ang execute. So let's run our program now. Okay, what happened? This is like sa daw error ani. Ay, okay. Na Java man ko. So this will not work in that way. Okay, so this time we are going to choose A. So regardless of magpili anak ka, the capital letter A, still iya nga po nang i-process. So A, enter value for num. So we have 4. So record successfully stored to array. So we can actually put \n here para para dili siya mo dikit ang A. Anyway, sige. And then let's have here A. Let's have verse 7 and then let's view. So records are, mao ni ang nakita nato na records. 4, 7, tapos 1, 0, negative, blah, blah, blah. These are numbers given randomly to our array. So, given randomly na because in Java, in C++ rather, this will be, the compiler is going to assign numbers for our array in that specific, for that parang certain index randomly. Okay, so unang kanisya na amo nakita dira na mga undesired values because again ang expected na output is going to start from 0 up to the max. So kung ang value sa max na to kay 10, meaning ang counting niya is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So meaning display niya tanan value sa array. But since we already assigned values to our array only like 4 and 7, then therefore okay, the other values right here are still parang randomly given. So to avoid that, unsa atong buhaton para dili tumugawas ang other values? Unsa kaya atong buhaton? Nasabtan ko ninyo class? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
there yet? Are you there yet? So sa buhaton dapat ibutang nato ni as like I. No, instead of max kasi ibutan nato dra I, meaning we only display the numbers based on I or the value of our array based on I. So kung atong ang I nato is 3, 3 lang ang 3 numbers lang ang mo display. Kung atong I is 5, 5 lang ang mo display sa tuang array. So that's actually the reason why it's like that. So magbutang na lang ta 3 og like ano kay magdikit to. So because pag A \n next, so dapat diri ba ta dapat mabutang as end line? Siguro, oo. Try na to. Or somewhere like diri di ay. Or actually pwede na to ibutang diri. \n ana. Okay, so let's run our program again and then let's have let's store here like 5, 6. Ay, anong 5, 6 man A. So 5, A, 6. And then let's view the record. So dara tayo 5 and 6. Ayan. So there, no? So every time mag-enter ka value, so view ni mo siya, you have 5, 6, 9, and then A, and then let's say 10, then V. So you have here 5, 6, 9, and 10. So as you can see, we don't parang, what I'm trying to do here is, we don't actually make, or our program is actually going to only store value or records to our array based on the option that we do. If either we select A, B, C, D, so on and so forth. So let's say this is like 5. Okay? And then let's say moabot na siya og ikalima na number. Of course, things will, there will be a problem with that. Okay? Though sa C++ dili siya mo catch og error. So i-try na to og kuan. I-prove sa inyo ha. So A, A 89. So let's view. You have 4 numbers and then mag-type ta again 100. Let's have here view. So we have 5 numbers. Let's add one more and then let's say 12. So store gyapon siya. Okay? So mag-store gyapon siya because though ang ato ang max capacity is only up to 5 no? So this one is something na dili dapat i-allow nato because we only have like pila lang atong storage capacity. Pila lang dapat atong storage capacity?
5 lang, sir.
5 lang. So, pero that's something na okay sa array. Kasi you can store as much as data as you can. But if you try to really look at it like since array is only up to 5, meaning the storage capacity that we can have for our num is only up to 5 values, meaning to say more than that or beyond that number, dili na dapat siya makastore. So what we can do is we will have here like something I is parang greater than or is equal to max. So this would mean na pag greater than or equal to max na siya, you can display something like array is already full. And then if dili pa siya puno, then you can copy paste this one and then put it in the else statement. Right? So para realistic imong program. No? So na mapuno siya until such time na ang records nimo is mulapas na sa capacity sa tuang array. And that's what we call realistic. Though not sa array natay mga sa C++, Java or any other PL natay dynamic arrays, meaning to say we can store as much as data as we can, no, without defining our array of a certain value or a fixed number. So 6U A 23 B okay, A. So there, no, array is full, array is full, array is full. So dili na ko niya i-diretso sa mag-add og new records because I have my array is already full. Okay? Sige. Question. Hello? Medyo daghan gamay pa biya ni. So question sa asay nalibugan ka atong explain sa inyong maestro. Dali, faster. Asa man dapit ang part na medyo libog pa. Question?
Nag-process pa, sir.
Ha? Nag-process pa? Sige. Pero wala man kaya medyo naka-follow man kaya kasi bright ba yung teacher? So bright po ng estudyante.
None so far, sir.
None so far. Very good. So, nanatay, case A, case B. O, direta sa search records. Sa search records, pwede ta mag-search by index. Kung by index, dali lang, no? Let's say mag-search ta by index for man ang mag-search records ta by index. So like is dali lang imong iano na like int index is equal to let's say 0. And then you will ask for the user to like type an index from 0 to let's say I minus 1. Kailangan na tuog I minus 1. No? And then, okay. And then, syempre, pag mulapas, butang na natog if condition. Diretso na, hindi na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa. And so, if I or index is greater than or equal to like 0 and index is less than or equal to or less than I. And then, meaning to say, display na to ang value na nakita. So, num index is found at index tapos index. Okay? Otherwise, see out um, invalid index. Okay? Or something like index is invalid. So pwede naman na index is invalid. So index is invalid, or you can have invalid index. Since grammar man na, so ayan. Okay? So if that is the case, then we have here what happened. We have case A. Ay, wala tayo kuan eh. C-in, sorry. I-global na lang natin. I-declare natin isa sa taas. So let's separate this to like A. And then let's have here, let's C-in. So index. Okay, so let's run our program, and so let's say we are going to store numbers 4, A5, A8, and then let's view. So i-search nato siya via index. So type index 0 to 4. So kung mag-type, butang siya 5, so invalid or 5 is invalid. So pwede ta mag-loop dira na dili nato siya pahawaon until dili tama iyahang index na ihatag. Pwede na inana tong buhaton. But ang nahitabo here is pag after nag-type siya og invalid na index, nibalik siya sa menu. So asa inyong gusto ka mubalik sa menu or mubalik sa dili lang gihapon siya. It depende man gud sa inyong decide sa program. Pero asa i-prefer ninyo?
Kaya mo balik lang siya, sir.
Mabalik
Kaya
lang.
papilion siya gyapon, oh.
Papilion lang gyapon siya sa iyang buhaton. Sige.
Oh,
Okay.
sir, adto sa matama.
Sige. So anyway, you have here, you have the option, pwede mo mag-while loop dire o probably ang ano na is index that is sana na concept sa loop ha. That is sentinel control dili po siya. It can be sentinel controlled loop na until dili siya valid na index. Dili siya sentinel. Basta until dili siya valid na index, dili siya mo gawas. No, meaning you have the repetition na ang user magsigig type until tama ang index na yang store. But this time, although sayon lang man ang via index, direta sa by value. So this is by index. And then let's have here by value. See, by value. So ato lang i-comment ning index, no? By index. Okay, let's proceed with by value. Okay, so sa by value you will need to have here. So type a value to search. Yeah. So type a value to search, and then you have here, right? And then see have here value. Since wala tay data type na value or variable na value, so let's declare it right here. So we have here value. Okay. And then, so what you will do here is magbutang tag loop, copy lang nato ni, paste para dali. And then, after that, I will have parang comparison test logic here that if value is equal to num the value of x. So meaning pag naako'y makita na value o naay makita na value the same sa elements sa array. Okay? we can display something na, let's say, cout. Ayan, actually, pwede na ito i-copy paste. Ito dire. And then, num or value. So, value is found at index X. Ayan. Tapos, kung walay kapareha, you can actually do break. The problem lang with this one ha, na this will only look for first occurrence. Meaning to say, kung naakay imong integers na ay 5, 6, 7, 10, tapos 5, ang first niya makitaan na 5, maulan, let's say, ilan na dire ang, let's say, 5. Example lang na siya. So, pila ka book 5 ang na-record sa imuhang array. So, duha, di ba? So, the first value na makita niya na 5, maulang to ang iyang makapture. But the other value na makita niya na 5 sa next statement atos di niya makapture because we have here the break statement. If you want to, to go further, you can actually do that. Tanggalon nimo ning break statement. And yeah, it depends gihapon sa imuhang preference. Okay? And then after that one, if let's say we can have here like itag-butang dire og isa ka string, sige string hold na lang para magbutang taog it's not found kasi kung magbutang ta dire og cout value, kita na ko sa inyo ha what will happen to this one is not found or not found in the array. So after this one, iranta nato siya. Isa nato to yan ang hold. So what with what you can do here is, let's say enter value 5, sige, enter ta, A 6, and then A 10, A 4. So ato ang records guys 5, 6, 10, 4. So pangitaw na to ang 10. Let's say S and then 10. So 10 is not found in the array. 10 is not found in the array. 10 is found at index 2. So what happened here? So ang naitabo is that since first loop niya is 5, first value is 5, pag first loop niya 5 is equal to 10. No? So ito rin na. Is 5 equals to 10? True or false? True or false?
False.
False. So 5 is equal to 10 false. Therefore, ang i-display niya kaning 10 is not found. So next na po niyang loop, ang 6 na po, ang i-test sa 10 is 6 equals to 10.
False.
Is 6 false. So
False, sir,
therefore,
false.
dire na po siya sa else. 6 or 10 is not found. So pag abot niya sa 10, okay, 10 is equal to 10.
True, sir.
Oh, di ba?
Yes, sir.
10, no? So 10 is equal to 10. So pag abot sa third loop is 10 is found at index 2 because true man siya and then nag-break. So wala na to niya i-ano ang 4. But what I'm trying to make you find out here is that it's not good na magbutang ka og is not found every time mo siya makitaan. Kasi wala pa niya na human og search ang loops. Okay? Or ang array niya. Okay? Wa pa nag-stop ang loop. So with that, pwede ta butang og like third party variable ba, it's up to you sa imong tawag ana. And then you have here like hold equals value or so I don't know, di daw nimo gana sa uban na compiler, tama ba? Aning toString, ini mo gana.
Di mo gana tong C++ na mo, sir. Sa dev C++.
Sa online compiler, sir, mo gana.
Oh, good. Kasi dapat inyong compiler is katong updated. Pag install mong updated na compiler. So toString value plus equals is let's say not found atong ibutang dire. Not found. So with that, ang buhaton nato here is yeah, actually tanggalon ako ning else statement. And the only chance na mag-change ng ano nako, ibutang na lang ako diri hold instead of hold. Yan, toString, I mean value is not found. Actually ani lang para makusumpay sa Java dali ra gud unta ni pero C++ man gud no. So value is not found. So initially I will assume na wala nakita. Pero if ever na mosulod siya dire, i-change na ko ni into hold and then to string and then is found at index x, something like that. So what will happen is that mag-change ang value sa hold if naay event or naay occurrence of number kung makita anto niyang na-search. Example katong sa 10, nakita niya dire. So first is for not found man no. So not found lang gyapon, not found until maabot siya sa 10. 10 is equals to 10. Ma-change ang value kay true man eh. So mahitabo is butang value is found at index x, which is unsa to na iteration sa loop sa imuhang for loop. And then mapulihan na siya from value is not found to value is found at index x. Yeah. So right here there's an error and what happened? Ay kasi kanipod. Okay. We'll need to convert this to string. Kung kayo si C++. Okay? Ayan. So we have here A. So 5, A6, A10, A8. Okay? Ay. Wait lang. B. Yan. So there. And then, let's look for 10. So S, then 10. So 10 is found at index 2. So wala na to niya nakita ang other na mga ano. So let's say mag-search ta og value na wala din ha. Let's say 15. So 15 is not found. So once na lang siya mag-appear ang not found o found. Okay? Question. Question, everyone?
And so far, sir.
Wala. So pwede mo maghimo og you can create an option here. Pwede mo maghimo og option diri na ang user makapili siya og search by index or search by value. Okay? Kuha. Like para kung mag-search ko, either search by index ba ko or search by value. So actually pwede mo mag-if condition dire na if by index ba or by value or something like sige, ato na lang i-ano. Actually pwede ta maghimo og another menu pero dire na nato diretso na lang ta 3. Cout type 0 to search by index. Type 0 type 0 search by index. 1 search by value. So pwede na to i-loop pero pinakadali na to nabuhaton karon is array. Okay? Array if condition. So example, we have here cin and then mo lang tadrig isa ka option like option. Option na lang ibutang na to. And then butang na dire asa na to? Option. Okay? And then mag if condition ka here with like if option equals to 0. Yan. Then, ano imuhang ibutang dire. Okay. So, wait lang. Saling i-indent. Wait lang, masinadre. Source, correct indentation. Ayan, okay. And then, I don't like the indentation. Yeah, tama lang indentation na to. And then, else if option is equal to 1. So, I'm going to have here search by value, else see out option is invalid. Okay. There. So, i-indentation na, correct na to indentation para mag-plaster siya because I want my programs na organized. Okay? So, there, no? So, this time, kung maana kay, like, i-run mo yung program, you will have here, pili ka A, so 4A, 5A, 7, and then V, S, sa S, na nakay type 0 to search by index, type 1 to search by value. Of course, kung magpili siya 5 or anything else na wala dira, option is invalid. So, mag-search ka by index ba or by value. So, they have the option either choose 0 or 1. Okay? Ayan. So, search by value, 34. 34 is not found. Okay? So, that's it. Next, no sweat, no? Sayon. Okay. Question. Are you bored?
Dili man, sir.
Dili. Okay. How about, basi na bored na mo kay kung ma-bored mo,
Nangatulog siguro ng uban, sir. Nangatulog.
nga tulog. Sige, humano nato siya and then edit ta. Sige.
Naminaw rami, sir.
Naminaw lang mo. O, sige. So this one, edit records ta. So dili na lang sa edit records, pwede po ta pwede po ta ani, no? Like edit by index o by value. So i-copy paste na lang nato ni. Okay, everyone ha, i-copy paste na nako ang search by kani siya. Kani, then i-paste na nako dire. So i-indent lang pud nako siya kasi I don't want my program na dili arrange. So here, type 0 to this one is edit by index, edit by value. So start out with edit by index. So sa edit by index kay first is of course pangitaon nimo kung naana siya na index, and then if that is the case, ang imong anon lang ana is see out. So buhaton nimo diri is type new value for, okay, so pwede rin butang i-display that num index. So meaning type new value for num index. Okay, sorry. So, or type new value for, tama ba? Atong grammar. Type new value for, basta type new value for unsa imong new value unsa na. And then you can type here like value. Na naman tayo value kanina, so you can choose that one. So type new value for num index value, blah, blah, blah. And then, next thing you will do is, ano lang. So, num index is equal to value. Okay? And then after that, you can have here record, or sige, let's say iuna na to siya before na to siya i-change. Na-change yun na. So diri ang na-change, this is money ang change diri successfully ha. Successfully, pero diri ta nag-output Kay kung dinhi man gud ta magbutang sa line 80, pareha na siya value pag abot dira na part. So dapat diri sa ta magbutang. So value sige, baliktad. Num index was changed to or changed successfully to value. Okay, so pakitaan ta mo og abs, joke lang. Pakitaan ta mo og duha ka display and then dili nako i-display ang isa. Unsay mahitabo if dira nako i-display ang isa sa after di-change nako siya and then sa before nako siya gi-change. So obviously kung you know how to read your program, you can see here na kani siya unsa tong original value was changed successfully to katong bagong value na gi-type. But after kani siya na display dire, kung unsa toy gi-type ni user sa value, ma-change na siya, i-change na to niyang kato na index. And what will happen here is that pareha nag-value karon ang value. So murag ang sense here is kato nga value was changed successfully to same value. So murag may ana, no? So kay na change naman siya at line 80. Pero i-try na to para makita ninyo. So A1, A2, A3, tapos i-display na to view. So 1, 2, 3, then E. So 0 ta, edit to index, type from 0 to let's say, i-edit na to si index 1. So type new value for 2. Kanino? So type new value for 2, let's say 100. So ang nahitabo na 2 was changed to 2 was changed successfully to 100. Wala na to ng 2 later on. Then 100 was changed successfully to 100. So mao nang second na display. So ang pinakadama na display is kaning first. Yan. So nakuha, nasabtan ninyo class?
Sir, kanang two string sir ba? Unsay library ana sir? Unsay library ana sir ng two string?
Wala. Default siya. Default siya na matawag nimo siya sa imuha sa C++.
Okay sir.
Sa string siya na library. Dati man gud kailangan nimo string.h karon dili naman gud necessary na naa kay string.h. Pero ang
Okay,
library ana niya is from string. String na library. Try ninyo string.h katong dili bugana. Okay. Katong string SS stream pwede to nyo buhaton sa ang SS stream pero dili the way we can do for like two string, no? Pwede tong SS stream, mugana po tong SS stream. Katong introduce na ko last time sa inyo ang katong SS stream. Remember pagyapon mo ato? Basta na ako i-introduce ato like SS stream to siya. Okay, dirita sa by value. So here, by value to edit, no? So edit ba to? Type, yan, type new value. So type a value to edit. So ang kaning by value pangitaon sa niya kung naa ba to siya, nag-exist ba to siya na element sa array. And then pag makita niya, that's the time na i-edit niya. So first niyang buhaton would be pangitaon sa niya kung nag-exist ba na siya. If makitaan, okay, if makita niya, so mao man ni. Okay, so we don't have to actually look for it. So instead, ang atong buhaton is type, kopyahon nato ni, and then paste it here. So type new value for num dire x, kay di man ni, wala namang index dire x, no? So type new value for x. So num x. Or type new value for value na lang. Pwede, para safe. So type new value for value and then cin value, though ang atong gibuhat is cin value same. Actually pwede pod mo mag inani num wait lang. Num x equals to value. Something like that. Pero para mas safe, Okay, yung buhaton is ana na lang. So, value and then butang nyo dire is equal to value. And then, butang ninyo dire, actually, kopyahon na nato ni siya. Ayan. So, num(x), okay, num(x) was changed successfully to value. Katong new value nimo, and then num(x) is equal to value. So, basi na-confuse man yung value diri. So, again, nag-recycle lang ta. Kaning value diri is kipangita nato siya na value, and then pulihan to nato siya bagong value. Pag puli nato sa, okay, ang problem ay with this one is was changed successfully to value. So, mahitabuan ni is ang new value, wala pa naugiran ang program na siya possible na problem. So, okay atong program, pero ang problem niya is with the output, sa pagpa-output na to. So, we can have here, this is, pwede ta another variable, pero if you don't want to use that, you can actually use instead kaning num(x). Wait lang. Pero basin man gud ma-confuse mo, just in case lang, and then dapat kani siya num(x) was changed successfully to value. So ana siya. So in ana siya dapat num(x) dire. But if sige lang, i-try sa nato kung tama ba siya. So we have here a value, so let's say 4, a value 5, a values 8, a value 10. So we have here b, so s, and then type, anong s maninoon? So 1 na lang. Then eta, edit, so let's say 1. And then we are going to change the value for 8. So type new value for 8. So let's say 100. So 8 was changed successfully to 100. What happened nga na is not found dire. Okay, because of the hold, wala niya na lang. So 8 was changed successfully to 100. So if you're not like comfortable of that, you can actually use another like new value, and then use this new value to represent here. Okay, and then you can actually use that one. Okay, so say gusto nyo, kana or katong ganina? Kira na ya? Or
Kana na lang.
Kana sir.
Kaya
Kana na
lang,
lang,
para,
sir.
kasi katong sa value, pag pangita, ang kaning new value, katong i-puli ninyo sa value na nakita. Okay? So, yan. So, inani siya. Okay? Naalay nakabutang hold. Asa ni? Kasi is not found. Okay. Kasi if in case na magbutang tag hold dire na ihan na to ni siya dire og value is dili na to kanina di ato ipuli. Ayan, dire sa hold. Okay, mao na to ipuli dire. Okay, wait. Oops. Basta i-hold na to ni and then remove na to ni dire. Hold equals to string. Okay, and then num as, then this one should be as string new value plus error, no? So, ayan, okay? Then, unsa ba tong hold mo? Same to siya if not found or if it is changed successfully. Okay? And then next is last one, delete records. So, upon deleting of records, pwede na po natin i-copy-paste. So, actually, kung mag-delete tag records, delete sa natin i-copy-paste, it would be para i-discuss na ako. So, ang deleting of records sa array, we cannot simply delete records to array. But ang buhaton na to is mag-cascade delete ta. So, cascade delete. So, what is cascade delete? Ang cascade delete is, actually, ang iyang ginabuhat is replace the deleted value replace the deleted value by the element comes after it. Okay? So ang mahitabo would be inani iyang style ana sa pag-delete. So kaysa dili man ta pwede nga delete array, di man ta pwede na maingon na num let's say ang i-delete nato kay index 2 and then equals to 0. So 0 is still a value. Di po ta pwede maingon na delete num2, dili pwede na ana. So cascade delete atong buhaton. So pasabot ang delete, cascade delete if na kay numbers like 2, 5, 6 di na pa ano, say 2, 6, 10, 19, 20, 56, blah, blah, blah. If mao na imuhang elements sa array, if mag-cascade delete ta, let's say, delete na to si 19 or let's say si 10. So, ang mahitabuan na is, kani si 2 and 6 will remain 2 and 6. Pero si 10, kaya i-delete man na to, pulihan siya value ni 19. And then si 19, pulihan og value ni 20. And then si 20, pulihag value ni 56. Tapos ang last value sa array is 56. So meaning nag-duplicate na karon si 56. Pero para ang wato na to is wala na delete si 56, kailangan na to siya himuon og unreachable. Okay? So unreachable siya dapat tama ba ang spelling? Unreachable or inaccessible. So, unsay pasabot anang unreachable or inaccessible? By decrementing the value of the element current record of array. So, mag-decrement tag current record sa array, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ang current record sa array. Now, 6. Okay, 6 is the current record. Okay? Kaya i-delete man nato ang 10, expected na matanggalan og isa. So, from 6 ang current record, what will happen sa array nato? Pila na lang ang current record karon? Obviously, 5 na lang, tama? So mag-decrement tag current record, mag-decrement tag isa, making it 5. So therefore, ang accessible na lang na value sa array kay 2, 6, 19, 20, and 56 na lang. Which is similar man ang last records. Kay again, na-delete man ang 12, ang 10, napulihan man siya. So we don't actually delete the value, but we replace it with new value or element that comes after it. So, mo na cascade delete, no? So, 19, i-cascade niya going here. Si 20 mo cascade going here. Si 56 mo cascade going here. So, that's what we call cascade delete. Okay? So, I'm now going to do or perform cascade delete. So, to do that, let's have here, first is, kopyaho na to tong kani. Okay, so we're going to copy paste this one. Sige, para di mo malibog, mag-start up from scratch. So let's say, by index ta. Okay, cout. Let's say, example lang type index. Ayan. And then, ang ano na is, let's say, cin index. Di na ta mag-if condition na, that's wala to i-delete. So to perform cascade delete, ang buhaton nato would be, let's say, int x is equal to 0, wait, index, okay, and then x less than I, and then x plus plus. And then here, num index, okay, num x di, num x equals to num x plus 1. Okay? And then, mag-minus 1 yata ta dire, kay di, para dili mag pero sa array, sa C++, pwede na dili. Pero try lang nato. And then after that, mag-decrement ta sa I, which is mao ng current, akong giingon na current record sa array. So actually, para mahibala na to ang current record sa array, we can actually put it here somewhere sa sa menu. Pwede na ito na ibutang current record /t, and then we have here I, ayan, and then \n, ayan. Okay, so current record na to is kung pila ang value sa I. So I minus minus, and then yeah, there, it's okay na siya. So let's have here current record na to 0. So we have, let's say, 5. So current record na to 1. Okay, input taog, let's say 10. So current record na to is what happened nganong 1 gapon, ADI. So 10. So current record na to 2, kay duha na atong records 5 and 10. And then A, let's say 100, A 70, A 87. So current record na to is 5. I-view na to, mo na itong mga records 5, 10, 170, and 87. Let's say i-remove na to si 10. So D, okay, so index, unsa na index si 10? 0, 1. Obviously 1 siya, therefore type index 1. So gidelete na to si index 1, which is si 10. Ang current record na to karon 4 na lang. So ang nahitabuan na is 100, nag-cascade, di-cascade delete na to atong array. Ang mahitabo is 10 will be changed or replaced by 100, and 70 will replace 100, and then 87 will replace 70. So sa 87 as is na dira. However, mag-decrement ang isa ka value for the current record sa atong array para katong isa ka 87 is inaccessible na to siya or unreachable. So when we get to view our record, we only have 5, 170, and 87 than, or rather than having still 10 in our record. Okay, so that's what we do in our delete. Okay, question. Nakuha? Nakuha, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, okay, since nakuha man, then ato na ning i-copy paste si edit here. Okay, copy paste na nato na, and then ibutang nako na siya diri sa cascade delete. Okay? And then actually tanggalon na nako ni sila. Okay? Para ako lang tong ano para dili kayo complicated, kay kung taas naman gud ang codes pasen it's not user friendly to our eyes. So i-delete delete ta, so type 0 to delete by index, delete by value. So we have here index. So may pawan ako to i-delete da anyway, mag-loop ta. So kailangan to loop dire, type kita mag-type new value. So we'll need to have loops here for int x is equal to the index value, x is less than I, and then x plus plus. So para safe, pwede mo magbutag -1 dire. Pero again sa C++, no need. Pero para safe lang, butangan na itong I minus 1. Kasi mag plus 1 mangunta sa ito ang array para dili mag-array index out of bounds. So good thing sa C++ guide, wala siya inana na restriction. So we have x plus 1. Okay, and then I minus minus. And after that, num saan ba to? Index, tama, was deleted successfully from array. Okay, and then tanggalo na to siya dire. Okay, and then let's do the same for copy paste nato ni siya right here sa okay dire. Okay, I delete buta nato siya dire, and then so after that is if value is equal to num(x), then kung makita niya to siya na value, or we can, para dili libog, pwede ninyo na siya it's up to you, no? I mean, there's actually two ways here. Pwede mo pwede ni siya in ani, but this time for int x is equal to this time x manggod na siya. So we'll need to change this to like a. So para dili mo ma-confuse, ibutang nato ni into a na lang. A, and then this will be a. So copy paste nat, sige, change na nato ni directly to a, and then this will be a, and then this one should be, instead of index, so my index like x na siya. And then this will be changed to a plus 1, and then I minus minus. And then after that, you have here cout num(x) was deleted successfully from your array, or something like pwede nimo si hold dire was deleted successfully from your array. And then you remove this one as well as this one, and then also this one. Okay, and then there, you're done. So the other way, if this one will not work, pero I am pretty much sure this will actually work, pero i-try sa nato. So you have here, let's say A 10, A 11, A 20. Sorry. So we have view. So i-delete, sige, mag-add pa ta, let's say 100, A 50. So view, i-delete na to si, let's say 11. So D, tapos have 11, and 1 di. So, and then 11, anong edit man ni awan, ay natin change. Anyway, so 11, kasi na ang 20 anyway, so try na to kung na-delete ba si 11. So yan, 11 was, instead 20 lang ang nabutang dire, but actually na-delete si 11 kasi na-change na manggod siya dire. So ang ano-ani is this will be or this must be like dapat delete ni dire si num(x). This will be, or tama, this will be right here, I guess. Yeah, so this should be there or here. Okay. Arungon sa nato, no? This one will be delete, and then yeah. So let's run again, and then we have here A 34, A 100, and A 50. So let's view, and then we have 34, A mag-delete pala. Ano pa ta? Dungag pa ta, 45, A 20, A 12. So B view, so delete na to si 100. So D 1, and then 100. So type a value to delete 100. So 100 was deleted successfully from your array. And then view, kung nawala si 100. There, nawala si 100. Okay, and there you are. Successful ato ang deletion. The other way would be, pwede ninyo actually pwede ninyo i-separate ang deletion, like it's all up to you. This is the other solution. I-try na to. Para dili mo malibog, like na pay loop 3 na pa loop 3. Pwede ninyo ibuhaton nyo is anhimo dire, but this time you'll need to like put here int x is equal to 0, and then i-remove ninyo ni siya dire, and then this is the other solution na, pero ato para safe lang ato lang ning i-copy, butang nato somewhere para ibalik nato, i-take back nato siya. At least na type sana. So anyway, going back, remove this one right here, and then tanggalon nimo ni siya diri. Okay, and then x is so ina na, and then after that diri ka mag delete, something like, pwede nimo siya ibutang din num, or the other way around. So diri na ka mag-perform og cascade delete. So kumbaga kani siya oning search, diri ang nag-search ka og value to delete, diri ka nag-perform og cascade delete. Yeah, it's all up to you kung asa imong i-follow, either this one. So anyway, na diri ang isa ka codes. Okay, pero i-try sa nato ni siya if this one will work. Okay, so let's run again. We have, let's say a 10, a 20, a 50, a 100. So view, delete nato si 20, let's say d, tapos 1, 20. So 20 was deleted successfully. Let's check. There. So deleted si 20. Okay. So question.
Sir.
Yes. My question. My question, everybody, everyone. Wala. Okay. Wala? Sure na? Sige. So, wait lang ha. Putang sana ko niya sa Word. Pero di na ko nihatag sa inyo ha. Para mag-effort mo tanaw sa video. Para na ako'y unsa ni viewers. Okay. Sige. Anyway, let's convert this to, wait for a while. So let's go back here, and then what if you're going to like have here like ang imong i-store is mga name, and then gender, no? And then you have int, age, and then max. So inana na imong pangayoon ng mga values, no? Name, gender, and age. So enter value, like change nimo na siya, enter name. Hindi lang sana ako tanggalon ang int num para dili mag-error akong program. Okay, so you have here asa na to? So enter name, cin, tapos name I. Okay, and then mga ipod ko for gender. So change na ko into gender, and then I'm also going to ask for age, and then this will be age. So record successfully stored to array, and then right here, I am going to use hold here. No. So let's say name, gender, and then age, and then \n, and then okay. So hold plus equals. So start with name x /t, name, gender \x, x /t, and then I have here age. Okay, kasi si age is number. So pero pwede gihapon si age kay dili siya number ha. Pwede na siya string. Pero since na string naman, na age naman, na integer naman din nato, we'll need to typecast it to string. So age x. Okay? And then after that, display nato siya dire sa ato ang array hold. Okay? So let's try to look into it. Tanaw na to. Okay, may tabo sa tong program. So so enter name, mag \n sa data. /n. So enter name, Mart, gender male. So let's say 16. So view, ayan. So I have there my records. So let's say Ben, male, 12. Anna, 23. Uy. Mali. Okay. Anyway, view na ko siya. I have records here. Male, gender, age, Mart, Ben, Anna, and so on and so forth. Yun. So, that's it. So, you just convert it into a name. I mean, that's array structural modification. Earlier, we just work on numbers. So, ako lang yung ibutang ang numbers para makita lang ako sa inyo na what if name, gender, age, and ako ang mga data sources. Dili ang, parang nam lang, ano lang na siya kasi wala pa, it could be like difficult for me to edit more of kan magutag i-edit dire. So that's why di lang sana ako ni-delete because I'm only going to actually have here A and V. Okay? So that's how you program using array structural modification. Okay? Question. And for our next topic next week will be ibutang nato ni siya in a permanent record. So for now, that's it. Using array muna. Sige. So, any questions so far?
None so far, sir.
Okay. Sige. So, please understand me. I am not going to give the codes to you. Okay ra?
Pero isang din mo ang video sa GC, sir.
Oo, ang video lang. Para mag-effort mo. Okay? Sige.
Okay, sir. Naara mo
Okay,
nagyapon
sir.
dito sa video.
Okay, sir.
Good. Para kay kung automatic mo na ko hatag sa inyo ang codes basin ang dako ang chance na dili ninyo kayo di niyo ma-experience. So mas okay na ma-experience ninyo how to do
Moral dili na mo
structural
mag-get,
modification.
sir.
Tama
Oo,
gyud, sir.
mas you do it the hard way muna, no? So sa karon, please understand me na dili na ko ihatag ang code. I would love seeing you na mag-struggle from the beginning kasi that's the only way for you to learn. Ika nga wala man ta pag anak nato wala man ta ni diretsog dagan, no? Ni kamang pamanta, nilakaw pamanta bago ta makadagan. Tama ba?
Tama, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to go through process and steps. And this is, I believe, important process na you would learn. Okay? And then I'm not saying na kani mao na jud ni ang sa programming na dapat. Pero this is this one kani atong gibuhat diri karon, this will give you a lot of logic. This will teach you a lot of logic. And if you are going to learn this like as early as now, there's really a big chance na ang imong logic ma-develop nimo and then ma-apply nimo na siya into many different languages. And I tell you, syntax only matters kung mag-practice ka sa other programming. Same lang ning mga logic bisan asa na programming. Oo, bisan asa pa ni na programming pwede nimo ni ma-apply sa Java, C, sa Python, and then ang syntax na lang imong anuhon. But for now, I want you to stick with this one using the So para para again hinahinay na to sa video na part. So inana, and then anyway makita man na ninyo no sa ganina, starting from giunsa nato pag-start until na kompleto na to ang programs. All right? So there, stop recording. Wala na questions? Sir, classmate mo ni Ryan sa Pitanan? Yes. Classmate nako siya sa una. Ano man? Banan ni mo siya?
Dili sir kanang ka-workmate nako dati.
Wow, asa man siya ron?
Murag na nasa sa Isuzu ata karon.
Good for him. Pero ni-graduate ko og una sa iyaha. Murag na teacher na pod ko sa UM dati. That estudyante pa siya. Pero nag-classmate me first year yata o first year, second year. He is one of my good friends, no, close friends pod sa klase before. And then kaya lang nauna lang jud ko graduate kay I don't know what happened to him. Nagtarong man bright man po siya pero nauna lang ko graduate kay mas nagtinarong siguro ko. Yun, tuloy-tuloy. And then so mo na among love story. Joke lang. Okay. Sige. Question, wala na? Kumusta ang pagkatulog sa uban? Attendance.
Hagok pa siguro sir.
Sorry sir, na-late ko sir.
Sir, naana sa Dreamland.
Nasa
Tulog
Dreamland.
yun.
Wow. Nandito ang pulang kabayo.
Pacquiao.
Na ang pulang kabayo dito ni Pacquiao. Ay, sorry.
Wala daw, sir.
Okay.
Ang pink lang
Wala.
daw.
Ang pink. Uy.
Sir.
Pinky.
Pink lawan. Okay. Sige. Attendance speak. Kinsay maka-attendance? Kisa ito itong ginasugo diri para maka-attendance?
Si Alcutin, sir.
Alcotin, Lucille.
Cellphone raga sir.
Lucille.
Sir.
Lucille. Sige, kinsa may mag-attendance for us kasi dili ma-fit sa akong screen po. Kanang dako ganing screen kanang kaya ni.
Tulong mo ata, sir. Tulong mo.
Sir, 49 lang ako, sir, makuha. Nayupat dili.
Sir, na question, sir, mag-ask ko, di naman ni mo i-open balik tong quizzer, no? Nakatong midterm lab quiz, nalakan ko, sir. Ato ka sa locksmith, pangayong susi. Joke lang. Yes, dili na. Lab quiz man to. Okay, sige, screenshot.
Naka-record pa man ni sir.
Pero nag-screenshot ko, pero ay, tama, mag-attendance daw ko, B. Kung kisa di mo ningog, absent. Wait.
Kasi sir, magsugod na kag-uwo, sir.
Tara, kani at
Say,
points.
sir.
Plus points sa mga nagstay, no? So, kuhasan ako inyong attendance. Kaya
Present ako.
natulog,
Balo ko
pag
sir
di mo
ako.
tingog, pag di mo ha.
Wala, ina, sir.
Kinang uwo jud.
Mauwo, jud.
Lami kay nga uwo ha, lami nga uwo.
Ayaw, Ana.
Diyan ko na kanina itong uwo, sir.
Awa dyan una, di ba?
Napa may time silang. Para makita na ako i-plus points na ako. I mean, as in i-record na ako sa inyong pero di na ako bisan unsa kanang basta nalamian sa Kanang nalamian sa
Naka-record.
klase, ana na lang nalamian sa klase. Okay, butangan ako jud ko adri ha. Nag-record jud ko diri og butan ako diri 30 points. Actually wala pa ko ipakita na ako sa inyo ha. Okay.
30 points per uwo, sir.
Basta oo. Sige. Wait lang. Pero dili mao ninyo actual pero wala pa na record, wala pa na ako na encode kay di man siyempre mao man ni ang final na grading god. So butang nako siya og 50 points sige sa pag-present lang today. So this is unsa gani ni siya? Date karon 11 14
November, ma'am. November na, ma'am.
13, sir. 13. 13.
21 13
Yes, sir. 13 ta karon.
November, sir.
Sige, November bitaw. 11 gani. November man 11. Sige, Alcotin.
Present, sir.
Pag di ko satisfied sa uho ha, 30 lang. 30 o 10. Sige, Lucille. Faster.
Uwu.
Okay, good. 40 ra to kay naulaw. Kanang pinakalami na uho ha. Alias
guys,
Lord
sir.
Alias Lord Anthony. Wala. 0. Ardenio. Wala. Avergonzado.
Kana kay Lord, sir.
Tora ka na. 55. 60 ni. Kay lami kayong pagkauon. Ato na ko ni ikuan be. Ay, ano na to siya. I-fit. Ay, ano na to para makita jud inyong naong. Yeah, okay. Tapos ano na to. Wait. Naginara naman ni sa inyo. Asa ganito, dire atong dapat with face.
Ako pag-idnik.
Kung magpakita ang naong 50, kung dili kuan lang 30, 40 lang. Sige. Wait.
Sir, wala ko'y camera.
Usab siguro na, sir. Roy. Usab siguro na.
Usab gani. Spotlight na, naka-spotlight na. Okay, spotlight. Sige na, bala mo basta kay this is one way of my para kung ni jud mo. Naminaw jud mo na jud mo diri karon sa atong pulong sa Ginoo. Asa man to? Adri na lang ako i-record. 50 usab. Okay, Alcotin. Wala gyud naka-spotlight. Dali mo kay hapit ng time. Dapat naka-spotlight. Unsa man ni spotlight na ba ni? Naka-spotlight na ako ray nagtingog. Ako ray makita nyo sa screen.
Yes, sir.
Ay tama, dapat dili na ko ni ana dapat stop presenting. Ayan, okay, sige, good kana makita jud sa record. Okay, sige, good. Alcotin. 40 lang basta way naong nya walay uwo. Alcotin.
Uwu.
Okay, good. Pipi. Pipi, i-record ako. Pakita na sa inyo ha. Makita man sa recording. Okay, Alias Lord. Wala. Ardenio. Wala. Avergonzado. Wala, gupaha, oy. Wala malagi kay picture. 40 lang na picture. Avergonzado.
Pagkita huwag na sir, oy.
Wala, oy. Wala. Nakita mo na. Di man na picture mo na. Anyasco, Ian James. Uy, mga picture. 40 ra. Bahinting, Christian Neil. 40 ra, way naong Bilingan. Flores. Wala. Binyalon K. Camille. Wala. Okay, Kahimtang. Nangaula na. Wa dyan may score. Bahala mo. Kahimtang J. Di naman niyo. Bahala mo. Kalanuga Rosemary.
Wala, sir.
Asa na? O malagay mong uwo. Ana. Kalanuga Rosemary. Okay, good. 50. Kanaway Jezebel. Kanaway Wala, 0. Kaduha lang kumuha no ha, balik. Cancelier Ernesto Joy. Cancelier Ernesto Joy. Wala. Carvajal Daniel.
Na sir. Oo.
40, walay naong. Coloma Gelfred. Mura mag mura mag-iring na piit. Dahang Ken.
Bro, naipit.
Dahang Ken. Joseph. Dahang Ken Joseph, wala, 0. Dano Kier. Okay.
Ako sugato eh.
De La Rosa
Alam mo,
Javon. Flores Alin. Flores Alin. 0. Kaduha-tuha nagtawag ha. Gabila Cargilin. Wala. Nangatug yun lang ini. Kayas. Ay. Sige, Kabila Cargilin. O, saan daw pag-uwi?
Agi na mo, sir.
Kayas Salmia. Praster kay level ko na 58 na
Present po,
Kayas.
sir.
Ay, unsa man unsa dapat?
Present po.
Unsa dapat uwo. Kayas.
Sir, wag na lang, sir. Pass po.
Pass. Okay, sige, tagatag points. Sige, kay mo man 30. Okay, Labton Princess.
Sir,
Wala niya kalingawan lang ni Kasa. Okay, lingaw-lingaw lang ta. Okay. Okay. Lazaro Michael.
Magikusing hibon.
Dunggan ko, sir.
Lazaro Michael.
Dunggan ko, sir.
Oo. Lilis, lingaw lang. Lilis Limwell. Lilis, wala. Okay, Linda Prosbin. Wala, nangaulaw na ni Lumolho Bernadette. Lucero Paul. Mabato Catherine.
Ano, sir? Unsaon? Sir, unsaon?
Oh, kamo na bahala unsa yung iring ba, iro,
Sige,
kamo
sige.
bahala.
1, 2, 3, go. Oo!
Unsa man ni Catherine no? Kat, ikaw
Yes,
Kat.
sir.
Okay. Clarice. Hi mong ate.
Wala.
Ate, wala siya?
Absent.
Okay, Malinaw Luis Carlo. Mamak Alondra. Nga tug yun yung mga bataan ni ba? Morales Clark Anthony. Morales Jimuel. Namok Idilito. Namok Idilito. Nasi Morales?
Sir na, sir.
Naa, sir.
Okay.
Umana siya.
Okay. Narciso John Ray.
Oo, so sir. 1,
Narciso.
2, 3.
Narciso. Pakita inyong naong. Oong Cherry. Oong Cherry. Wala. Autumn Jan. Paharon Princess. Panerio James.
Sir.
Panerio James? Unsay oo?
Sir,
Okay. Pano i-Pearl. Okay na. Pano i-Pearl? Wala. Pepe Ronabel.
Sir, si Ongga, wala
Pera.
daw microphone.
Oh, sige, kuha lang siya 20. Okay. Sige, 30. Pero i-type uwo kay 40 na to. Peralta. Rogelyn. Quintinita Ria.
Sir Jaya.
Ajea.
Oo.
Ramos Harley. Kani mo naghawd ni. Oh, 50 kanay naong. Ripalda Cesar. Oh, very good. Oh, how'd manday mo di ay? Wait lang. Wa pa gani. Rico Lizel. Cute. Robleca Adrian. Saban Jacqueline.
Okay, wait, sir.
Ha?
Sama akong magbangkon, sir. Sama ka naglaris kami.
Mag-uwo ba ka o dili? O sige, uwo dili.
Ano sir? Horrible daw, horrible daw. Horrible daw, sir. Lain daw.
Lain. Okay, so
Mag-uwa ko, sir! Oo!
Okay, good. Salina Sal, Yula. Good. Okay, very good. Sarad, Elijah. Sigura, Cherry. Zero, wala. Shudina, Jolen. Wala.
Sir,
Aw na
wait
di
lang.
Wala ba lagi picture? Wait now. Sumanday Tampo, Sumanday Albilon. Lain no na imuha. Uro, iro. Delikado to, sir. Di ko. Tampos Reynan.
18 above na to, sir.
Tampos Reynan.
Dili to.
Tampos.
Sir.
Dili ka mo uwo. Reynan, magdali kay time na.
Katawa.
Oh, wala. X. Okay, next. Tormes, maulaw man mo nga. Uura man na. Sila Maika.
Wala naman na siya sila Maika, sir.
Ay, asa na din eh?
Nag-change siya kurso ata.
Okay. Nagbalat
Siguro, sir, ba?
balikan nyo.
Wala na ba to sir siguro?
Wala o kabalo?
Wala
Wala
siya
na po
record, sir. Wala siya record.
Traya Jessica. Wala. Trinidad Jilly Jill. Viliami Sedi. Villamor Christopher. Villanueva Daniel. 59 daghan na to dire.
Sir.
Okay.
Oo.
Si Villanueva. Okay, habol pa siya uwo. Okay, one more time. Uwo, sabay. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, okay, thank you. Have a great day, guys. Ahead, bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye, everyone. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for making me happy. Nag-enjoy. Bye-bye.
Very
Bye-bye,
good,
sir.
sir.